Hi, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description. It's a combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. Got the Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel SS 750, MSD Pro Billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Mark serpentine belt set up. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Chamfer sump oil pan. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 495 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 515, peak horsepower 490. Rated 500, it's got a front end on it, so everything's good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.